Hello Crafty Familia, welcome back to another video. I am so excited and anxious because I just got this a couple weeks ago, but I've been waiting patiently to do the right video, to do it nicely, and this time not skipping the unboxing. So this one, don't let the size trick you, it's pretty big. I already have, and I believe, oh no, I haven't shown you a project yet. I believe I did the unboxing of the 6x6 Easy Press because it was a Christmas gift. I have done a couple of projects with the 6x6. When I say 6x6, I mean 6x6 inches. So as of now, oh wow, this baby, it is a bit heavier. I'm gonna show you the packaging, which is, you know, this is the top of it, and this one is the one that is 12 by 10 inches. So it is really big, and I'm so excited. Well, we're gonna work today because in the smaller one it brings a project for you to work with, but if this one has the same project, which that's my guess, let's get to it. Let me show you on the side. I'm trying to be careful because, as you know, I'm a bit of klutz sometimes. Okay, on the side it tells again, you know, the brand and also the name of this machine, which is the Easy Press 2, the 12 by 10 inches. And then if we flip it over on the back, it shows you the bigger picture, I will say, of the stand. It comes with a stand too. As you can see, I kind of like wanted to have a peek on it, but no, I was waiting for you and I wanted to share with you because I'm so excited, and I already said it like 3 times, but it's okay. You already know me. I repeat myself over and over again until I make sure you get it. Not that I don't think you get it, but you know me. I talk too much. It's okay. All right. So it also on the side, it tells you the key features of this jumbo size. Oh, you know what? That's a good little word. It's actually jumbo size because it is. Anyway, it tells you, you know, neat things that this Easy Press has, which is that it's ideal for t-shirts, sweatshirts, banners. It tells you it's easy to learn, simple to use. I believe that. It is easy to learn and simple to use. I think even my husband can do it. Why? Because the first time I opened mine, which you're gonna find at the end of the video, that unboxing, it comes with a little bag for the machine, and also the C for Cricut with the little anthems, and that was my very first project with this beautiful thing. And the smaller one, it tells you that it goes up to 400 Fahrenheit. It says intricate transfers, thick and repeated wash. When it says lightweight, I guess it's light enough for you to carry it with your hands, because as you've seen all the videos and I saw like a demo from their website, it's pretty, you know, it is heavy, but not as heavy that your hands cannot handle it. And it says it's compatible with major brands of heat transfer material. Including the box, you're gonna find the Cricut Easy Press 2, 12 by 10 inches, the safety base, which is the black part that we saw, the welcome book, and the materials for practice projects. So this one probably has the first project that you can make with it. But today I am so into making a special shirt for a mama's birthday that is coming up. But I'll show you. And it tells you recommended, it's Cricut Easy Press matte to protect your work surface sold separately. you can see, it was already laying on the base, which I think is very practical, and it's awesome that they're included. You of course gonna see the reflections of everything and anything I have in this room, but that's okay, it's all part of the fun. All right, let me go ahead and open it. I believe you can take this off, but I don't really want to because it kind of reminds me to be careful. JK, JK, JK. The cord is not that long, so that means that you will need to have a plug, an electrical plug that close to the machine, and you know, be very careful and aware of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this baby on her new spot and have her ready for my use. The reason why I move the Easy Press all the time, it's because I don't want the clothes or the shirts to get the marks if you would have happened just to place it still.